Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Can you hear me? Hi Deepika. Just give me a confirmation. Can you hear me? My voice is clear. Okay, Priya. So today in this session we will be making a painting for the Grandparents Day. So we'll be teaching to the children's a painting or a card. How can you create and how can you give an honor, respect to your elders? So let everyone join. We will wait for some more minutes and then we'll start the painting. So by that time I will introduce myself. I am artist Chitrakshi Singh. I am a professional artist and I am already running my art classes by the name of Chitrakshi Art Studio, and I am really honored by the Children's First, those who had invited me here for this wonderful event which they had organized. They had invited me. I am really obliged to them. So this is a great initiative. So with all these small steps we can create lot of awareness in our kids, in our children. We built inbuilt lot of values with small painting only. We can inbuilt some thoughts, some positive thoughts in that. So that is our main motive behind it. And as we all know, painting itself is a meditative and very good for to increase the focus of the kids. So that is also one of the benefit, to increase and enhance the creativity of the kids. So who all had joined, please drop me a message so I'll get to know who all had joined me. I can see many numbers, but just drop me a message. You can write your kid's name in the comment section so I get to know who had joined. So all kids, are you ready with the material? We'll be using oil pastel colors for this painting. Just give me confirmation once, everyone, in the comment section, please. Adya, okay. Adya, beta, are you excited? Are you all excited? So let's start a session, and you can watch it later also, as this will be recorded and will be there on the page. So I'll just change the view, just switch the camera. Just wait for a minute. So everyone can see the screen, the sheet here. We need A4 size of paper. So So what you have to do, take your sheet, take your sheet vertical. I had pasted it. It's not necessary that you have to paste it. You can draw in your drawing book also. Okay. So first what we have to do, we have to make a circle. Everyone make a circle on the top left side. This way. And now make another circle here, bit down from the first circle, and make another circle. Hi Sonika girl. Everyone done with the circles, kids? Now what you have to do, make one triangle here, triangle shape here. One triangle in the first circle and another triangle like this. True triangle shaped. Now make one C here and join it like this. Here also one C here and make a leaf shape. And remove this intersecting line. Remove it like this. Now we will make one more circle here and one this side. And in the center of the circle make a dot like this. One eyebrow here and one this side. Make one C here for the ears. Hello Aarti. And one C here for the ears. Now we will make one line starting from the circle center and will join till ears like this. Same way we'll start from here and join till ears. And we will make one opposite U here in the center. So this is the glasses we had made. Make some small hairs like this. make a nose with the U shape, one U shape here, and one broad smile like this with U shape. Now make a straight line like this, standing lines, one from here and another one from this corner like this, and we will join it. We will make one more line here in the center this way. Now make one more triangle here. I am going with my pace. You can anytime repeat this video and make it again also if you are not able to do it. I think you will be able to do. All kids are very smart. They can catch very nicely. One triangle on this side. See, we are making human figure with very simple and easy shapes, with triangle, with circle, all these rectangle, very easy simple shapes. We are making a human figure, right? And we will make hands. Start from here and come till here. Same way we will do with this face also. Now we will convert this circle into face of grandma. This is grandpapa and this is grandma. Make a circle nicely again. Just make it finished. Remove all extra lines. Now what you can do, make a line like this. Hello Sonika. Hello Ritu. And one line here. Now we will make hairs coming from here, and this hair will go like this. Same way here we will make glasses again. One circle and another circle. This time what we had done, we had left very less space between two circles here. Here it is more space, here it is less space. And again we will make one dot here in the center of these circles. A cute nose with the U shape and a broad smile. Here we will make one C and here another C for the ears. Make a straight line here this time. Now we'll start from this circle and join till ears. Same way, start from this side and join till ears. So both of them are wearing glasses, but see, both of their faces are looking different, right? With just little bit of variation. Now we will make one line here and another line like this, and we will join both the lines with bit of curve. We will make her hands like this. And one hand here with the same way. And his hand is going behind the back, so it is not visible. Everyone done till here? Drop me a message. Now we will make some circles here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, Shweta. Who else is done? Show me a thumbs up. Now we will start one line from here and we will make one skirt and one line from this side. We are increasing the distance, and now we will join these two lines with a curve. Make one more line here. Now we'll make one line from here and it will go till his pants like this. It is going behind. One hand from here and we'll join till here. Now make one oval shape here like this, oval shape, and one more oval shape here like this, and on the bottom just double the line. Here also just double the line. So shoes are done. Remove all extra lines if it is there. Now make one line, two line and three line here. Same way, 1, 2 and 3. Now we will make grandma's legs. Make 11 and again 11. Now here also we will make smaller oval shape like this. Here also this way. Same way we will double the line from the bottom. Now let's decorate her dress little bit. So we will make some flower. So make a circle and make some more circles and make a flower like this. We will make one here, one more small flower with 5 petals here, One more this side. Add 5 petals. Let's add one more here. 5 petal again. All of you done till here? Now everyone take your black sketch pen and we will start with the outline. Make the outline. Do outline slowly. This way here also. For the buttons. Now I'll make the hands. If you want to add pocket also in the pants, you can add this way. Now we will do the outline here in the grandma. Grandparents' Day is on 17th September. So you can make this drawing and give it to your grandparents. You should always love and respect your elders. Okay, kids? Give lots of love to your grandparents also. Always respect them. and they will feel really very nice when you gift them this painting. Either you can make as a painting or you can make as a greeting card also. Everyone done with the outline? Whoever is doing, just complete it fast. So we will start coloring then. Now we will take black color crayons and we will do it in the hairs here. Little bit of black here, and now take white color. Don't do black much, very little. And then do white here and on the black also, like this. We had mixed both the colors. Same way we will do white here in the glasses also, this way. Now we will take face color, and we will fill it in the face. So for filling the color, what you have to do, always make an outline. You have to do it in the face, so do an outline in the face and then fill the color. Don't fill the face color in the circle, just leave it blank. Fill the face color nicely. In the hands also. Here, the hand which is going behind the back. Here also, this hand. and here on the legs also. Now we will do in grandmother's face also. Again same way, outline first. And now fill it nicely. Wipe all the dust. Now we will take light green color and we'll do in the dress, the shirt. So here also again the same process. Outline first. I am using light green color and fill it. Who had completed till here? Show me a thumbs up. Here in the pocket also we will do green color. Now we will take dark blue and we will do it here in the pants. Now fill the color. Here also. Fill the color nicely. Cover your paper completely. Your paper should not be visible. Fill it very nicely. It should not look patchy. Wipe all the dust. Now we will take pink color and we will do it here in her dress. Just leave this flower. Don't fill the color inside. If your flowers are very small, fill it with pink. If it's bigger, then leave it white. Fill it here also, the hands. And again wipe off all the dust. Now we will take brown color and we will make her hair brown. Here also. Always do color slowly because it should not come out. So do it slowly. Fill skin color in the ears also. Now take yellow color and we will fill it in skirt. Now take red color and we will fill in this belt. We will fill red color in the shoes also. Don't fill this bottom part with the red color, just the upper part. This side also. Take some white color and fill in the flowers. Now we will take dark green color and we will fill it in his shoes, only on the upper part. Now again we will take yellow color and fill in the shirt. And here also don't fill in the buttons. Now everyone take black sketch pen, and you can take some of the colored one also. First we'll take black and we will fill it here in the bottom part like this. This side also fill black color. Now we will take light blue and fill it here. Now in the background you can make some stars like this. And some circles randomly and of any sizes, small sizes. Make some circles also. Now take your sketch pen. I am taking orange color and fill it in the circle randomly. Leave some and do it. Now we will take pink color and fill it in some of the circles. Now we will take light green, and then some more circles. Fill the color. Now light blue here on the remaining circle and complete all the circles. We will take fluorescent green, or you can take yellow color for the stars. Everyone done till here? Those who are done, just give me a thumbs up once. So we are done with this drawing. Now you can either gift it like this, or you can make it on a greeting paper, write some message at the back, and then give it. So I would like to show you some more of the drawings, as there are many batches of the art class is going on in Chitrakshi Art Studio, and we'll show you some of the sample work which we had done in the class. Just have a look. This is one of the work which we had done with the acrylic color. These are for the kids. This is also acrylic painting for the kids, which is going on in the regular classes. This is cotton birds activity. This is the watercolor class. These are all the subjects which we teach in kids classes. These are the caricature faces. These are some of the faces of my students only, so which we had created and taught them how to make the faces also. These are, I'm also taking fine arts classes for the adults. So this is what we had done in the fine arts class. This is the glass reflection work which we had done with the oil pastel. This is with oil pastel again. This is the landscape, a scenery. This is hand impression painting for the kids batch. This is the soft pastel work. This is a fine arts class work which I teach in the fine arts batch for the adults or 12-year and above kids. It is a chalk powder kind of colors which we use to create such paintings. This is again a soft pastel landscape for the fine arts batch. This is the sketching work which we had done in the fine arts batch. So 12-year and above kids can contact for this fine arts batch, and remaining for the other batch. So it's open from 4 years and above. Kids can participate in all the batches. Various batches are available at your convenient time. You can choose. This is we had done in the fine arts class. This is again an oil pastel landscape. This is also oil pastel landscape. This is the Shiva work which we had done. This is also fine arts class. All the different techniques and different mediums will be taught in the fine arts. This is also fine arts, soft pastel work. So creativity is limitless. This is also fine arts. Oil pastel work. This we had done for the kids batch. Raksha Bandhan, on the occasion of Raksha Bandhan. This one also for the kids batch. This is modern art painting for the kids. This is also kids batch. How to make Ram. This is also kids batch work. And all the kids are so talented that they pick up very nicely whatever I teach. This mixing technique is taught in this. This is also kids batch. Here a lot of mixing is there, which is there in the kids batch also. How to mix with the oil pastel. This we had done with the very junior kids also and with the senior one also. Both we had done this Ganesha. So guys, I hope you all had enjoyed the session, and I'm really blessed to teach you a little bit of my art. And anyone who is interested for the regular batches of the art classes can contact us. So you can always inbox me, or you can always inbox Children's First News to take the admissions. You can contact them and take admission in Chitrakshi Art Studio. So we'll wind up the session, and I had really enjoyed teaching you all. I hope you also had enjoyed. So bye bye everyone. So we'll be coming up soon with some more online session, live session also. One thing I forgot to show you, this also we had done in the class, this clay work which we had done in the children's class. This is a workshop we had done for the student for the Ganesha clay work. This one also to the very junior kids also and senior kids also, for all. And for adults also we had done clay work. So lot of variety and lot of activities are there in the classes, in the regular class, which you can join anytime. So for joining, do contact Children's First News to join Chitrakshi Art Studio. Thank you all from my heart. Thank you so much.